Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
I have a YouTube channel, so I'll put it on the YouTube as well.
Yeah, thank
So,
you. Thank you. Cheers.
Good luck. I'll come by again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So this is called Just India. So that looks like a pretty cool little place. And I guess you can recognize it with this J right there. So that is definitely something worth checking out. I'm going to come by again. So that's kind of a cool looking spot. Yeah, and then so right here you can see La Arc Hotel Casinos that way. Let's see what this is. Got a giant dragon right there. It's also the year of the dragon. Okay, so this city street right here is called Brussels, and we're kind of starting where there's kind of a busy area. We're on this Alameda Dr. Carlos de Somchaux. Let me just give you a little bit of a reference point. That goes over to historical Macau, way over there, quite at a distance. And then this whole area is kind of dominated by this park right here that goes through the middle. And then there's Guanyin statue, this beautiful, beautiful giant statue of Guanyin, which is a landmark for Macau. And also for tourism, and just kind of a beautiful statue overall. And then this is going to be our focus street right here, walking towards Sands Casino. So you're going to see Sands Casino in the background as we walk down this Brussels Street, part of this NAPE area. I'll explain it all as we get going, so just stay tuned. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so let's start going down NAPE. Before we go down, got some kind of cool looking pillars and different streets. That goes to an area called Zape, and then which has some kind of casinos, like the lower end casinos. But this part that we're in is more expensive. Everything is expensive on this side. And then kind of a strip of low end, low price casinos, and then you get into the historical part on the other side of this whole area. And then these are just all office buildings, so a lot of people will work in here, and then at lunchtime they'll come down, get lunch in this area. So you'll see a lot of people with office attire and such. But right now it's about 3 p.m. So that would be more common maybe about 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago even. So Sands Casino is directly ahead, and the street, I wonder if the street looks more interesting when you walk the other way. If you're walking this way, I think it has a more of a grander feel that way. This is kind of cool. All these little trees are all lined up right in the middle. So they actually have those. Oh, there's a Thai restaurant.
Hello. What?
Thai original. Let me just take a look at this real quick. Oh, the prices are really good too. So it's about like $7 or $8 American dollars for Thai food at that restaurant. Let's see what else we got here. So I think that this one right here, where this person came out of, I think that's like a karaoke kind of disco thing. Yeah, so there's actually a bar in there. Let's see. Hello. Is it? Hello. Indian restaurant? Oh, okay. I might come by later. Is it new?
We just did a soft opening.
Yeah.
We've not yet opened yet.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to do a reservation or something,
Yeah.
so either you can do it for a lunch where we will be serving thali.
Yeah.
So it's a kind of a set menu.
Okay.
And in the evening, if you want to do a reservation, you need to do it 1 day prior.
Okay.
So we can do a tasting menu for you.
Okay. And there's upstairs too?
No, upstairs is the kitchen.
Oh, okay. It's good. It's good to see. Nice.
Good to see you.
Macau always needs more restaurants, especially international.
Yeah. So if you want, you can place your reservation, or you can just contact us through Just India Macau.
Just India. Okay.
Macau, through Facebook or maybe like Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah, we can help you out with the menu and the reservation.
Sounds good. I have a YouTube channel, so I'll put it on the YouTube as well.
Yeah, thank
So,
you. Thank you. Cheers.
Good luck. I'll come by again.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So this is called Just India. So that looks like a pretty cool little place, and I guess you can recognize it with this J right there. So that is definitely something worth checking out. I'm gonna come by again because the Indian restaurants are not, there's not that many. There's some, but it's nice to see. So yeah, Just India, nice design. Thank you. So, and this is called, the name of the street is, I'll have it labeled so you can see what it is. So that's Just India. I'm definitely gonna go there again. Cigar club over there. Let me walk over there. Let's see. Let's get across here safely. I'm just walking directly towards that San Luis. So that's kind of a cool looking spot. Yeah, and then so right here you can see La Arc Hotel Casinos that way. And then we have a San Luis Cigars as well. San Luis. And whiskey. Malt liquor. So also kind of a cool shop. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely have to go to that Just India shop. That's the thing, when you walk around with a camera, you kind of see all the changes happening in the city, and then you kind of know, you know, more information than you would otherwise, right? I might have walked by that if I didn't have a camera and I wasn't so curious. Okay. Let me see what this is. I got like another restaurant right there. Okay, I think it's so let's keep on going. And then this one, so we're on Brussels Street, that's the name. I forgot the name of the street there. Brussels Street. So kind of a cool looking street. And then now this Four Corners is also always kind of a cool looking space too. Okay, so Brussels Street, Rua de Bruxelas, which is the Portuguese name for it. That's the one that we're just walking along right now. And then we're going to continue down this way. Got Brussels Street. So it is kind of a pretty street. Let me kind of walk across a little bit. Brussels Street. So I think when you go down that way, it looks more spectacular. Something about these apartments, that's the name of this area, NAPE, NAPE Real Estate, so there's a NAPE reference. So yeah, there's something about this area when I look at it, it just looks really cool, especially this street right here. So this street is like, it's just so photogenic on these corners of this particular space. There's a nice breeze that goes all the way down as well. I can feel the breeze of the city streets. Okay, so we're gonna I think I'm gonna walk on the other side. It feels like there might be more over on this side. Khao Ding. Beauty shop. There's a lot of salons in this area. which is kind of interesting because equally they're really opening up too high for Macau people to go there easily. There's another Thai restaurant right there. So because of that, it's Thai cuisine. So because of because it's opening up to mainland China, a lot of people are going over there quite a bit for eating, and then definitely for salons, because the salons would be significantly cheaper. Let's see what this is. Got a giant dragon right there. It's also the year of the dragon. So I'm kind of curious if that dragon is always there. No, I guess not. This looks like it went out of business. Okay, so we're gonna go a little bit further. Nana nails. It's funny because there's like Nana Plaza in Bangkok. And you got Nana nails. And then we saw a lot of these other Thai restaurants too, right? Cafe Little Tokyo, Japanese one. And if we go straight ahead, there's Art Museum and Sands Casino and Fisherman's Wharf. So that was Brussels Street. So on that note, we'll end our video. But yeah, so Brussels Street, there's also a handful of other streets in this NAPE area that also look cool. A bunch of people hanging out over there. Kind of curious, but okay. Anyways, 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.